Do you want to speak English fluently, but you think it takes too many years?
Welcome to the English Conversation Hub. I am Oliver.
And I am Ava. We are so happy you are here with us today. How are you doing, Oliver?
I am doing great, Ava. The weather is beautiful today, and I am ready to talk about English. How are you?
I am wonderful, thank you. I had a nice cup of coffee this morning, so I have a lot of energy. Today, we have a very special episode for our listeners.
Yes, we do. Many people think they need to study grammar books for hours every day to speak English well. But today, we want to show you a different way. We are going to share a simple story. Listening to stories is one of the fastest ways to improve your English fluency today.
Exactly. When you listen to a story, you learn words naturally. You do not just memorize lists of verbs. You see how the words live together in real life.
Let's start with our story today. It is about a young man named Tom. Tom wanted to learn how to cook. He did not know how to make anything. He could only boil water.
That sounds like me a few years ago, Oliver. I could not cook anything either. I always bought fast food or frozen meals.
Really? But now you are a great cook. How did you change?
Well, I decided to take my time. I did not try to cook difficult meals immediately. I started with very easy things, like eggs and toast.
That is a great expression, Ava. To take my time means to do something slowly and not rush. For example, when you learn English, you should take your time. Do not try to learn 100 words in one day. Learn 5 words well.
That is very true. Rushing makes us stressed. So what did Tom do next in the story?
Tom decided to make a cake for his mother's birthday. He found a recipe on the internet. The recipe looked easy, but Tom was nervous. He went to the supermarket to buy sugar, flour, eggs, and butter. But the supermarket was very big and crowded. He could not find the flour.
Oh, I hate when that happens. It is so frustrating when you cannot find what you need in a store. Did he ask for help?
Yes, he did. He saw a worker and asked where the flour was. The worker smiled and pointed to aisle 4. Tom was happy. He got all his ingredients and went home. He started to mix everything in a big bowl. But then he made a big mistake.
What mistake did he make? Did he put salt instead of sugar?
Yes, exactly. He did not read the labels carefully. He put 2 cups of salt into the cake bowl. He put the cake in the oven. After 30 minutes, the house smelled wonderful. Tom took the cake out. It looked beautiful and golden. He was so proud. He brought the cake to his mother's birthday party.
Oh no, I can guess what happened next.
His mother was so happy. She cut a big piece of cake and took a bite. Her face changed quickly. It was so salty. But she did not want to hurt Tom's feelings. She smiled and said it was very interesting. Then Tom took a bite. He immediately spat it out into a napkin. He felt so bad.
That is a sad story, but it is also funny. Tom wanted to give up. He thought he was a terrible cook.
Yes, to give up means to stop trying to do something because it is difficult. For example, many English learners want to give up when they do not understand a fast speaker. But please do not give up. Keep listening every day.
I agree. Giving up is never the answer. So did Tom stop cooking forever?
No, he did not. His mother told him that mistakes are normal. She said that mistakes are just lessons. Tom decided to try again the next weekend. This time, he looked at the bags very closely. He made sure he used sugar, not salt. The second cake was delicious. His family ate the whole thing. Tom learned that he could learn from his mistakes.
That is a wonderful lesson. To learn from his mistakes means to understand what you did wrong so you can do it better the next time. In English learning, mistakes are your friends. If you say a wrong word today, you will remember the right word tomorrow.
Yes, mistakes are proof that you are trying. Tom practiced cooking every weekend. After 6 months, he was very good at making cakes, pasta, and soup. He even started a small cooking blog online. He became confident.
That is amazing. He went from boiling water to having a cooking blog. That did not happen in one day. It happened step by step.
Yes, step by step means doing things in a series of small actions, one after the other. You cannot jump to the top of the mountain. You must walk step by step. Learning English is exactly the same. You learn one sentence today, another sentence tomorrow, and soon you can have a full conversation.
I love that. Tom's story shows us that patience is very important. Now Tom cooks for his friends every weekend. They love his food. He is always happy to try new recipes now. He is not afraid anymore.
That is the power of practice. Tom is a completely different person now because he did not give up.
Let's look closer at the useful phrases we used in our story today. The first phrase was take my time. Oliver, can you explain it simply again?
Yes,
To take my time means to work without rushing. It means you are relaxed and you do things at your own speed. An easy example sentence is, I like to take my time when I read a good book.
That is a great example. Our second phrase was give up. To give up means to stop trying to do a sport, a hobby, or a language because it feels too hard. An easy example sentence is, learning to ride a bicycle is hard, but you must not give up.
Perfect. Our third phrase was learn from his mistakes. This means you look at a mistake, you see why it happened, and you use that knowledge to improve. An easy example sentence is, I lost my keys yesterday, so I learned from my mistake, and now I always put them in the same drawer.
Our fourth phrase was step by step. This means doing something slowly, moving from one small stage to the next stage. An easy example sentence is, you can learn to cook step by following easy recipes.
Those are all such practical phrases for everyday life.
Today, we learned a big rule from Tom's story. The framework for success is simple. Practice every day, plus accept your mistakes equals fluency. You do not need to be perfect today. You just need to try.
Now we have a question for you, our wonderful audience. What is something difficult that you learned to do step by step? Did you learn to drive a car, cook a meal, or speak a new language? Please write your answer in the comments below. We love reading your stories.
Yes, please share your answers. It is great practice for your English writing skills. If you enjoyed this story today, please click the like button and share this audio with your friends who are also learning English.
And do not forget to subscribe to the English Conversation Hub so you never miss our easy English episodes. Thank you for listening to us today.
Have a beautiful day, everyone. Keep listening, keep practicing, and we will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.